it came now. Yay! This is my bracelet. I only ordered this, but I think I cannot see this, so maybe it's not them. Anyways, this is so cute. Let's open it the wrong way. Be careful if this is, if you know it's like this. Be careful. Maybe. Oh, fine. Some more. We have different kinds of beads, and this is my favorite. This is my favorite kind of bead. The whole. I like this one, the earrings. This is the earrings. Oh my god, where is it? It's like this. So I don't know how to put it, so never mind. OMG guys, this is the shells. Oh my god, so cute. I mean, it says. Next we have this pearls kind of person. Girly puff. We have another shell, but it's, OMG! We have this one, so cute. Oh my god, we have this star. This is our star actually, and we have this one. I'm pretty sure you know this now, this kind of, but I think I cannot kind of see them over here. This one I didn't see them. Maybe this is new. See, but the way we have this is my favorite part. All of them, my favorite part. Next one. This is my other favorite part though. These clay beads. Oh hell yeah! There's many. Oh my, so sad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Girl, we got 24. So guys, that's the end of my channel. Bye. I will see you soon. Bye.